Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Dede Rosadi ZA. Dalam kesempatan kali ini ingin menyampaikan beberapa poin perihal pengajaran. Saya di Prodi Manajemen sebagai dosen MKU Bahasa Inggris, mengajar bahasa Inggris, lebih tepatnya English Business atau Economic Business. Ada beberapa hal yang saya sampaikan terkait mata kuliah ini. Yang pertama terkait capaian pembelajaran prodi, yaitu lulusan mampu berkomunikasi secara efektif. Berikutnya, saya ingin menyampaikan terkait dengan capaian pembelajaran mata kuliah bahasa Inggris atau English Business atau Economic Business. Ada beberapa CPMK. Yang pertama adalah mahasiswa mampu mengartikan istilah-istilah bahasa Inggris dengan benar. Yang kedua, mahasiswa mampu mengorganisasikan tata bahasa dalam bahasa Inggris, tentunya bahasa Inggris bisnis dan ekonomik dengan tepat. Berikutnya yang ketiga adalah mahasiswa mampu menunjukkan karakter iman, cerdas, mandiri, jujur, peduli, dan tangguh di dalam kegiatan pembelajaran bahasa Inggris. Adapun sub CPMK, yang pertama mahasiswa mampu menguraikan kosakata dan tata bahasa di bidang ekonomi. Berikutnya, mahasiswa mampu menguraikan kosakata dan tata bahasa di bidang manajemen sumber daya manusia, tentunya dengan komunikasi yang berbahasa Inggris dan bahasa asing. Berikutnya, mahasiswa mampu menguraikan kosakata dan tata bahasa dalam membentuk kalimat, berkomunikasi di bidang manajemen operasional. Pada pembelajaran kali ini, saya menggunakan CPMK yang pertama, nanti bisa dilihat dalam video pembelajaran yang sudah saya lampirkan linknya, yang sudah saya unggah di YouTube. Bapak, Ibu, teman-teman, silakan bisa menonton video di link yang saya lampirkan di RPS dan di uraian pengajaran. Silakan ditonton, cekidot berita pembelajaran saya, pertemuan pertama yang bertopikan tentang kosakata bahasa Inggris terkait ekonomi dan bisnis. Mata kuliah bahasa Inggris ini bobotnya 2 SKS. Adapun metode pembelajaran yang biasa digunakan di kelas adalah sebagai berikut. Ada small group discussion, ada role play simulation, discovery learning, dan collaborative learning. Adapun untuk bobot menilainya adalah yaitu ada persentase kehadiran, persentase UTS, UAS, dan keaktifan mahasiswa di kelas. Yaitu proses belajar, penugasan, dan kegiatan mandiri. Teknik penilaian, tadi ada non-tes, ada yang tes. Kalau yang tes dari UTS dan UAS, adapun yang non-tes dari tugas dan keaktifan mahasiswa. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. How do you feel now today? Gimana kabarnya? Are you fine? Alhamdulillah. Today I'm happy to see you again for this morning. Today we are going to discuss about vocabulary in economics. Someone maybe ever heard about vocabulary in economics? Pernah dengar? Yes, okay. But before we continue our discussion today, I will give you like ice breaking for give you spirit for discussing today. So when I say hi, you say hello. When I say hello, you say hi. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Hi.
Hello? Okay. And then I want one or two of you, please introduce yourself. What's your name? Where are you from? And what's your hobby? Yeah. I point you. Yeah. Please, what's your name? Where are you from? And what's your hobby?
My name is Melissa. I'm Sukariani. I'm from Sidoarjo, and my hobby is drawing.
Okay. Let's discuss our topic today. I give you the topic today for in order to you can able to know the meaning vocabulary in the topic of economics, because you are now in Faculty of Economics and Business. I hope you can understand what I will explain to you. Do you know the meaning of this word? Economics? Economics means economy. Good. Barter? Barter? Tukar, tukar menukar. Okay. Say after me, economics. Barter. Okay, next. Service. Service. Pelayanan. Pelayanan. Okay, good. Next. Supply. Supply. Stok, ya, pasokan, ya, pemasokan, ya. Oke, good. Penyediaan. Demand. Demand. Permintaan. Biasanya kalau demand identik dengan perempuan, ya. Supply laki-laki, demand perempuan, ya. Ya. Permintaan perempuan, yang penyediaannya laki-laki. Is it true? Boy, is it true? Girl, is it true? Okay, next. Buy. Membeli. Nah, I remind you, ya, you are economic students. Don't get wrong in saying membeli. Ya, masih ada aja kadang mahasiswa ekonomi belajar bahasa Inggris, ya, membacanya buy. Ya, ya. Jadi jangan salah lagi, membacanya adalah buy, ya, bukan buy, bukan buy. Okay. Buy, membeli. Next, sell, menjual, menjual. Maybe one of you wanna read this sentence, please. You.
Economics studies the production, distribution, and consumption of wealth and goods.
Okay. Now I want you read 2 minutes and then conclude, ya.
Simpulkan, ya, paraphrase using your sentence. So I close this slide. Okay. Economics studies the production, distribution, and consumption. Okay. Remember, ingat-ingat, saya akan tutup slide ini. Ya. There are 3 points in economics. 1, production, distribution, and consumption. So, means economic is the activity of production, distribution, and consumption. Okay, next, good, thank you. What is money? What is money? Long ago, we buy something, yeah, with something, yeah. So today, buy something with money, yeah. Long time ago, we can buy, we get something. Wanna laptop maybe? We can sell rice, we can sell our clothes, not with the money. Okay, wait, sentence. Okay, you. Ready.
That is a good. A good is something you can see and feel. It is something you can use.
Okay, everyone, read it. A good is something. A good is something you can see and feel. It is something you can use. Yeah. This is good. Yes. Yeah. We can see and we can touch. Yeah. We can feel. Yeah. And this is something use. Bisa digunakan. Yeah. To the material to write on the topic. Yeah. Material. Yeah. Adela.
It's Adelia actually.
Adelsa.
Adelia.
Adelia. Sorry. Adelia. Please mention 5 words.
Okay, so 5 goods in this room that can be useful is clock, whiteboard, chair, table, and laptop.
Okay, good job. Big applause for Adelia. Roman. Yeah. Roman. Yeah. Please mention 5 goods.
Chair, table, mouse, laptop, and me.
Okay, good. Thank you. Applause for Roman. Thank you. Good. Okay, next. Service. Service in bahasa Indonesia apa? Pelayanan. Ya, service is work you do for people. People earn money selling service. Biasanya kalau di bahasa Indonesia kan menjual jasa. Ya, menjual jasa. So, the difference between service and sell apa kira-kira? Perbedaan pelayanan sama menjual. Service without sell something, ya. Pelayanan itu tidak mengeluarkan menjual barang-barang tetapi dengan tenaga, pikiran, nah, itu namanya jasa. Okay. What is a service? Service is something done for someone else. Sometimes people are paid for their service, sometimes they are not. Nah, kadang-kadang yang dia melakukan jasa, melakukan kegiatan jasa, ada kalanya yang tidak dibayar ya. Kalau yang tidak dibayar itu namanya sukarelawan ya. Volunteer itu suka relawan. Kalau volunteer suka relawan, kalau saya suka goreng, suka makan. Dari suka apa ya? Enggak, sama. Semuanya menyamakan aja. Okay, next service ya. Okay, please ya remember, I will skip this slide. Ya, 4 minutes. The meaning of service. Can you remember it? The meaning of service? Okay, we try it, ya. Kita coba Risa. Do you know the meaning of service? In your word, dengan memakai kata-katamu sendiri, silakan. You didn't get it? Okay, next, maybe your friends can answer. Tias, hello Tias. Do you know the meaning of service, Tias? Don't you remember? Gak ingat? Okay. Saya, remember the meaning of service? No. Okay. Thirdly, service is we do something for
someone else. Yeah. Do something for someone else. It is self-service. Yeah. We don't sell anything, but we do something. This is the service. Okay. Maybe someone of you can mention the example of service in Indonesia, our country. Like tukang dukun, oh, tukang syukur, ya, tukang syukur in bahasa Inggris barber shop, ya, barber shop. Okay, good. Next. Selain tukang cukur, apalagi yang servis jasa? Laundry. Next, penjahit. Ya, jasa joki. Oke, penjahit terus tukang ojek. Ya, itu jasa servis. Oke. Next, supply and demand. Supply means pasokan, ya, pasokan. The number of goods means supply, ya. The number of goods, ya, pasokan barang-barang, ya. Itu namanya supply. Kalau demand, request, ya, request for goods, ya, request for goods, permintaan akan barang-barang. Oke, the supply and demand. Okay, next. Produce and consumer. Producer is a person or business that makes goods or provides service. Ya, jadi yang namanya producer itu apa? Seseorang atau wirausahawan, ya, yang menciptakan, membuat barang, ya, atau menyediakan jasa. Itu namanya producer. Berikutnya kalau consumer. Consumer is a person or business that buys or uses goods or services. Kalau consumer apa? Seseorang atau bisnismen, usaha yang beli atau menggunakan atau jasa. Jadi pengusaha bisa menjadi konsumer, bisa menjadi producer. Ya, pengusaha ini menciptakan sesuatu, pengusaha ini membeli, itu namanya producer and consumer. Okay, I speak this way. Risa mana? Oh, Risa. Indah. Do you know the meaning of producer? Create something. Itu producer. Next, berlian. Producer? Ya, apa?
Kalau produser itu membuat dan menyediakan jasa. Kalau konsumer itu seseorang yang membeli barang atau jasa yang disediakan oleh produser.
Okay, thank you. Applause. Okay, next. Now exercise. Yeah. When I mention is all your names, please come forward to write down the vocabulary in sentence. Make sentence with this one of vocabularies. Okay. Desi. Yeah. You can write down. Desi. Choose one of these. Come forward. One of these.
Right.
Yeah. Please make sentence.
read it, audit, baca yang mana?
Don't miss this opportunity by the cup.
Okay, maybe you can ask for our presenter, the meaning. Artinya bagaimana? Itu kayak baca kata-kata motivasi juga ya. Ya, silakan. Bahasa Indonesia nggak apa-apa. Malu, nggak usah malu. Bukan mencuri, bukan berbuat jahat, nggak usah malu. Ayo. Kalau literally-nya jangan jangan apa Miss? Jangan hilangkan kesempatan ini beli sekarang. Maksudnya gimana? Kayak iklan Shopee ini ya. Lihat di mana itu kata-kata itu?
Muncul secara tiba-tiba.
Muncul secara tiba-tiba. Oke, thank you. Applause please. Oke, I give you one goods ya. Think it ya, pikir dulu. Saya skip dulu ya. Ya goods ya. Good. Barang-barang apa itu ya. Oke, next students. Tamaya. Ya, Maya, please write on the sentence. Demand using D, not T ya. Using D, not T. Demand ya, using D, not T. Okay. Maybe you can translate to bahasa Indonesia.
Masakan tidak dapat memenuhi permintaan.
Pasokan tidak dapat memenuhi permintaan. Seorang laki-laki tidak bisa memenuhi permintaan. Gitu. Enggak juga. Oke, thank you a lot for next berikutnya I want for Algeria. Adikku, finish. dibantu menggunakan goods English apa share this one of goods gampang read it dibaca.
This year I study in the Faculty of Business Economics.
Easy, yeah, applause. I want more, please. Maybe the long sentence, yeah, the long sentence. One of the students, maybe. One of you, please. Yeah. Pesan dokter ya. User I buy new albums from NCT. NCT itu nih from Korea.
Yes.
Okay. Read it louder.
In this year, I buy new albums from NCT and then I sell it now on Twitter.
Okay, so how many vocabularies? How many vocabulary in your language? Two.
Buy and
Buy
sell.
and sell. Okay. Then you can translate to bahasa Indonesia.
Tahun ini saya membeli album barunya NCT dan setelah itu saya menjualnya di Twitter.
It's sold, terjual.
Ya.
Okay, thank you, applause. What's your name?
Wanda.
Wanda. Okay, let's read together for sentence for your friends. With what I say, you say together.
In this year, I
Okay, stop. Wanda first, Wanda. Yeah,
In this year, I buy a new album from NCT.
slow. Yes. We'll try this together. Yeah. Okay.
In this year, I buy a new album from NCT and then I sell it now on Twitter.
Okay, together, read it. Okay. Second sentence, Wanda, read it.
Don't miss the opportunity, buy it now.
Together. Okay. Next. Yeah.
Supply cannot deny.
Okay. Last sentence.
This year,
Sorry.
this year I study in faculty at business and economy.
Okay, good. Applause for you all. Konsep pesantren, dia course English course. Ada khusus bahasa Inggris bahasa Inggris di Jombang itu di bawah pesantren, and I join it. Ya, I join it. Nah, itulah mulai saya sudah bahasa Inggris. Then I take the major in kelas 12 ya, bahasa. Dulu IPA, IPS bahasa. Kemudian saya join bahasa. I study Arabic and English. Ya. Before I join the English literature in English, actually I wanna go to Mesir ya Pak Azhar ya. Tetapi takdir saya diuji karena PMB kan. Jadi saya orangnya kalau sudah ada yang terima saya, ya sudah ya. Ya, kayak ini aja kalau udah ada yang terima kita ya udah itu aja. Jadi jangan pilih-pilih ya. Nah, nanti ujungnya dapatnya yang itu deh. Oke. I think the end of the class today. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you can study English more and more. Really, yeah, really. English is very important for the future, for the career. Study it, learn it, yeah. I hope you can save the money, yeah. Next year you can go to Ballet English Ballet. But if you don't have money, just join the event. Yeah, Wanda, yeah. We can see the improvement, yeah, from Wanda. Wanda is has fluent English. Yeah, Wanda tetap join event bagus bahasa Inggrisnya. Yeah. Okay. Thank you for attention. See you again. Yeah. Have a nice day. I am Mr. O. Yeah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam.